I'm Chris LaFleur. I'm the director of Zquip. We're here at BAMA 2025, and we would like to show you what we've been working on. So, Zquip is really what we think of an energy management company. We focus on the acceleration of electrified and zero emission and clean energy in the construction space. And so we think of what we do in two different ways. We have machine and application level, and then we have energy module level. On the machine level, you can see that we've got two machines at our booth here. We have a CAT 308. It's an 8-ton excavator, and then we have a Case WX155 ZQ, which is our 15-ton wheeled excavator. And what we've done with both of these is converted them from traditional diesel hydraulic to electric machines. So the conversion of these are simple. We have an electric motor that mounts to the existing hydraulic pump, but what's really the magic of this isn't in the conversion of electric. That's a pretty basic thing now. What it is how we allow the user and the customer of the machine to have access to the type and amount of energy that they need to get the job done. So if you look at this module up here, this is one of our ZQ 140s. It's a 140 kilowatt hour NMC battery. This is a very high performance battery, and it's great for this machine because it can provide about 5 to 6 hours of runtime on one charge, but it's fast chargeable and it does everything that this machine does. But that's not really an one size fits all for every other machine. So if you look at our Case product over here, this has two modules. The customer for this said, look, I do a lot of bidding on zero emission jobs, but I don't do only bidding on zero emission jobs. And if I have an integrated installed battery on a machine, I can't be competitive when I don't have to be zero emission. So what we've done is we've got different lines of energy modules that tailor the type to what you need. So in addition to having one NMC battery module on here, we have our hybrid diesel module as part of our hybrid line. That has a diesel DC generator inside of it that allows the machine to run as a hybrid system. So if you need it to be zero emission, from the cab, from an app, you can turn the diesel generator off and run pure zero emission. But when the job needs longer run time, if you don't have the need for zero emission and you just want to be more comfortable with the battery charge that you have, you turn this on and it dramatically increases the runtime by 3 to 4-fold. And so as part of this, we wanted to make sure that we could have different types of battery suppliers as well, because we realize that an issue people have is really just trusting the battery supply chain, right? Battery companies go out of business, things change, technology is evolving so fast. So what you get when you transition to a Zquip machine is the ability to evolve as technology evolves. And so the added bonus of a Zquip system is not just the on-machine, but it's the off-machine applications. So you don't always use these machines 24/7. And when you're not using them, we wanted to make sure that you could have the highest utilization of your highest value asset, which is the energy module. So this module has a ZQ AC kit on it, which turns it into an AC genset, as you would with any other portable genset that you have on your site. And coming around to the other side, we see that we've got the digital user interface to manage the product. We've got different outlets for you to power any of the tools and accessories you have on site. It allows you to do AC charging output, which is currently locked. There we go. But it also allows you to have additional options for charging the module. Everything that we do is DC powered, but sometimes you don't have DC power to charge it. So this also then allows you to AC charge your module. The goal of the Zquip system is maximum flexibility so that there's not going to be a time when you convert to electric and you can't function. And the last product that we have is our Zquip DC accessory kit, which we have them going here. The DC accessory kit allows you to transfer DC energy between modules and machines. We know that sometimes you're out on a site and you need power to be transferred to a stationary machine. Battery swapping is great, but it's not always necessary. Sometimes you just need a top off. So what customers do is have a DC kit on top of their machine, for example, on top of the Case wheeled excavator. And if you have this on top of your battery module of a machine, this wheeled excavator essentially turns into a mobile charging unit to go around and give or take a charge between machines and modules. And so this is the essence of what we're doing is Making an electric machine, making an electric site is one thing, but making the operations work and maximizing utilization is the best way to function efficiently and get the highest return on investment for what you're trying to do with this. If you'd like any more information, you can go to our website. It's zquip.tech, Z-Q-U-I-P. You can find us on LinkedIn and reach out, and we'd be happy to talk to you about any of the options. Thank you.